Okay, plant nerds, if you have found this video, that means that you have fungus gnats. And it's time that you get this microphone off here. It's time that you eradicate those fungus gnats for good because they're insanely annoying. And there's a lot of really bad plant information, ChatGPT, and on just Google articles that it's the wrong information, and you see these YouTube videos and it just repeats the information from those articles and it doesn't work. It might work short term, but it doesn't work long term. So tonight, during a thunderstorm, I'm going to show you how to actually eradicate the fungus gnats for good. And that is by using mosquito bits, okay? And the long-term solution is to add mosquito bits to the soil when you're repotting your plants, to add it in. And then when you have enough plants in your collection that have mosquito bits in the soil, they're gone for good, okay? Yeah. Does it take a while? Yeah. All the good things in life take a while, okay? So have a seat. Now, first thing, your pot that you're repotting in needs drainage, okay? That shouldn't be controversial, but it is. It needs drainage. If it doesn't have a hole in the bottom, you need to put one in there, okay? So go to your hardware store, your local hardware store, and find the, I can't even hear me. Find the prettiest drill bits. Where are they? Oh, yeah. Find the prettiest drill bits. It's going to be spider. They're made for drilling through metal, but they'll work on anything because they're made out of diamonds, I believe. And they're pretty because they're blue and they're purple. Anyway, just get the spiders. If you don't want to get the spiders, they're kind of expensive. Get it just a masonry bit, okay? And then you can drill through, well, pretty much anything except porcelain. It's just personal experience. So, and if you want, if you're smart, you will put a little bit of water while you're drilling. You see that? So it doesn't get too hot. It'll probably be fine though. I can see it's getting hot. And in that case, you just need a little agua. That'll buff out. Watch me break this pot. There she goes. She's smoking. Smoking hot. We did it. See that? Punch today in the face. Don't do it. Okay. Next step. Now you have a hole in your pot so it drains, because fungus gnats thrive in wet conditions. And so you need a drainage hole for the water to exit your pot, right? And then what we're going to do is mix mosquito bits into the soil. Not going to lie to you, there's a lot of warnings on this. What's in it? I don't know, okay? But it's legal to buy, okay? So get that. You can get it at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's fine. Everybody's going to be fine. Mix it in like, you know, like a pot this big filled with soil. That's going to need probably a cup or two. So for your regular pot, like if you were just doing a pot like this, I would put a teaspoon, maybe less even, okay? So it's already mixed in. So I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom. This is self-explanatory, right? You guys already know how to repot a plant, but I'm just showing you. I like to take some of the existing soil out though, because, you know, sometimes there's larvae in there, and, you know, it makes me feel better. So that's what we're doing. So into the new pot, and you're not supposed to touch the soil that has the mosquito bits in it because chemicals, okay guys? So you have to be careful, okay? Am I touching it? Probably. Yeah, probably am. But I do a lot of things that are not good for me, okay? Now, we did it, okay? We did it, guys. That's actually it. So what you want to do is if you have a good percentage of your houseplants potted with mosquito bits in them, none of your houseplants will have fungus gnats for any period of time longer than it takes to eradicate the larvae, okay? So it'll take a week or so, but it will work. Repot a few plants, put the mosquito bits in there, and you're good to go, okay? One hack, you do not have to repot the plants with the mosquito bits. I do it because it works better, but you can just mix them in by putting them on the top of the soil of your existing houseplants and just kind of mixing in it a little bit, okay? If you read the directions on the bag, it says to kind of put the mosquito bits in water and water with that. That doesn't work. It works a little, but it doesn't work as well as mixing it in with the soil. So if you are going to get rid of your fungus gnats for good, you need to mix it into the soil. So if you want the shortcut, you can just dump some on the top of the soil and stir it around with a chopstick or something, okay? Yeehaw! I forgot the first step. I forgot to say the first step, which was manicure, okay? So retroactively, first step is give yourself a manicure and then get your hands dirty. Okay? Love you guys. Bye, nerds.